Suppose in my dev directory, there are different kinds of file, there are different kinds of directory. I want to see them, what is inside that directory. So how can I see them?
Okay, to see the directories and the nested ones, so for that we can use the ls. Ls means the listing the directory. So if we use this, we can see all the directory file and everything that is under that path. But if we also want to see them in like the how many storage or how many disk is actually occupying in our project, so that we can use the ls then -l. It will also show us the usage of the storage.
Okay, but suppose I have a lots of hidden file in that folder, and also I want to see them as a human readable format, then what will be?
Okay, so for that, for to see the hidden folders, we use the A will actually show all the hidden folder. So the command will be ls space then LAH. It will see all of the hidden folder. It will make the the usage of the disk in a human readable way, like suppose 4 KB, 4 MB, GB, or suppose in that way, and it also show all the hidden folder at the same time.
Oh, thanks.